up, MellyMafia? It's your girl, not Melly, that life right girl. Everybody be watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you already know the pop. If you're not, welcome back to the yeah. I keep messing this up. If you're not, welcome back to the gang. Welcome back to the squad. This is supposed to be my new thing. Welcome back to the gang. Welcome back to the squad. And I just keep messing it up. So today in today's video, we are making Cajun pasta, and of course it's not going to be spicy because Story's going to eat some of this too, and I don't need it to be spicy to the point where she don't like it. But I think she got a little, I don't know, because sometimes she'll be liking spicy stuff and sometimes she don't. But her dad loves anything spicy. Like, spicy is the key to his heart. If you want to make something, you got to make it spicy to have the key to his heart at this point. So right now I have my give me one moment, y'all. All right, back to what I was saying. I actually winded up cooking further than I was supposed to cook because my sister had called me. But literally all I did was make my sausage. I have my noodles in my water on the stove. Make sure your water comes to a boil before you put your noodles in there, because if not, it's gonna be nasty and soggy. So for the sauce, I put 1 whole stick of butter. I put two of these spoonfuls. Y'all see this spoon? I put 2 spoonfuls of minced garlic, fresh minced garlic. Some people cut their garlic up. I don't, because I ain't got the time or the patience for that. When I can just buy it mint. 1 stick of butter, the minced garlic. Stir that up. I put the Parmesan cheese in there. Stir that up, and then I put a little bit of heavy whipping cream in at a time. Stir that up. And that's basically it. You let that juice slow cook. You let that sauce slow cook. And then we're gonna add our Cajun to it in a minute. And it's raining outside or whatever. Taste this sauce right quick. That tastes good. Sorry, that was a piece of garlic. That tastes good. I gotta cook my shrimp, but I was just making my sauce and stuff first. And I got this stuff called Raging Cajun, and this is the bee's knees, y'all. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that in there. And let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see how much I sprinkled in there. That's how much I sprinkled. Not a lot, not too little, not too much. You know? Let me get a new one of these. And I'm just mixing it. And I'm gonna taste my sauce again. And if you use some more Cajun seasoning. And then I'm gonna actually put it on the burner behind it. I pushed it back to the back of the stove because I gotta cook my shrimp. And then I'm gonna take my sausage and I'm gonna dump it in the sauce back there. So that can be all marinating and good in that sauce. I'm gonna get my pan on my sink, and I just washed this earlier. Let me rinse it off though. And I'm gonna give me some butter. I got a half a stick of butter. And then I'm gonna put, no, I need another spoon. I'm gonna put a little teaspoon of garlic in that pan too. Well, 2 teaspoons of garlic. Turn this fire up. And then I have some shrimp that I already seasoned because I had made me some fried shrimp yesterday. And then I have some unseasoned shrimp. And baby, we finna just mix that together and call it a day. And yes, I washed these shrimps off in the beginning of the video. Off camera. And those shrimps, some of them shrimps had the Cajun seasoning on it already, and that's it. Y'all, that is it. That is all. And then I'm gonna add my cream. I'm gonna get back to y'all with the finishing touch, because that's it. All I gotta do is cook, and I'm gonna get back to y'all to show y'all what it look like. Yeah, I forgot to come and tell y'all that I was adding broccoli to the Cajun pasta because I needed a vegetable and whatnot. So yeah, this is like a steam bag, and I just put it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. But yeah, after that, that's it. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed me making my Cajun pasta. It's not really that spicy because, like I said, me and Storby gotta eat some too. So this is like a mild version of the Cajun pasta. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You already know the vibes. We out. Gang, gang.